Survive like an Indian out in the forest. I learned how to live in nature, enjoy the fresh air without a care. Learn to eat wild honey.